Yes, I think we always would have expected September to be a little bit lower because last September was such a high base with the Hurricane Harvey replacement sales. But then we had another hurricane which stopped people spending this month as well. So it's not really a surprise that there was some weakness in the market. And as for the Japanese brands you mentioned, I think there's a lot of uncertainty around those because of potential tariffs.
Now, Anna Maria, talk me through what we're seeing happening in the U.S. market in particular, because we're seeing higher SUV sales still going strong, but that's in spite of the fact that oil prices are trending higher. How long do you think that's going to last?
Well, it seems that the SUV segment has been outperforming pretty much globally for the last year, maybe more. And I don't think fuel prices are having the effect that they did maybe in 08, 09 kind of time. I think people are appreciating that extra space. I think there's a lot more variety in the types of models that are available. You have the sort of crossover models where you can have that nice transition period between cars and bigger SUVs. So I think the market is a lot more appealing to people at the moment.
And Anna Marie, of course, SUV popularity remains the name of the game here, but I do wonder if a sustained pickup in oil prices will finally give some momentum to EV sales as well. Some encouraging signs in the numbers we got out from Tesla on Model 3 orders yesterday, but still the stock slipping. What's your take here?
Yeah, I think there are quite a few challenges facing Tesla at the moment. I mean, it's obviously promising to see that they're meeting these production targets. They have mentioned, though, that now problems have moved to delivery. That's one area where they're having problems. I think we're also going to see a lot of increased competition. And going back to the SUVs, electric SUVs is one of the areas where we're starting to see more models coming out that could give Tesla a run for its money.
Anna Marie, just finally, as we are gearing up for the Aston Martin IPO, a lot of excitement around this. You may argue, like many do around Ferrari, this is a case more of a luxury stock than just a pure auto play. But given that we have seen this price range tweaked a little bit, do you think we're setting the stage here for a successful IPO?
I think so. I think if Ferrari is any benchmark, and I think that is what Aston Martin would like to replicate, then I think it is pretty successful. I think with I think there was already enough interest in the shares to start with, and maybe that lower price point will help as well. So I think it should be pretty successful.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.